Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your value education class, children. I would like to inform you that we have already completed the syllabus of half yearly, right? We have already completed. And the syllabus of half yearly is chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, and two revision chapters are there, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Right, so you have to prepare chapter 1 and chapter 2 also. Okay, then new chapters are 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so let us do the revision of chapter 4 today. Open your book at page number 17. This is page number 17. And the chapter is Bond of Love and Trust. Okay, Bond of Love and Trust. It's about friendship. So children, all of you have friends, right? We all like to have friends. So what is friendship? Friendship is all about the bond of love and trust between the two persons. Isn't it? Everyone loves to make friends. I also love to make friends. You also love to make friends, right? So we are happy and cheerful. Why do we like to have friends? Because we are happy and cheerful when we are with our friends. Okay, so then what is friendship? You should be very truthful towards your friends, right? So there should be a bonding of trust and love also, and we must share our things with them, isn't it? Not only things, we share our feelings. Suppose you are not liking something, you can share. If you are liking something very much, you can share with your friend. And you should never fight with your friend. We should not be selfish and dishonest to our friends, right? We should not be dishonest to our friends. We should always we should always be with our friends and stand by them, right? In the times of need, we should help them and try to make them happy. This is what friendship is. Now here in this chapter, we have learned a story about two friends, and the name of the story is True Friends. So long ago in Syracuse, there lived two friends. Okay, their name was Damon and Pythias. Okay, so the king of Syracuse was very cruel, and one day Damon was discussing about the king's cruelty with some people. Then what happened? The king, he came to know that, and he ordered death penalty for him. He ordered that person Damon was as he was discussing about the cruelties of the king. So the king ordered for his death penalty. Damon was taken to prison to be hanged the next day. He was taken to the prison. Damon was very brave. He was unafraid of death. Okay, but he had a last wish. What was his wish? He called his friend and said, Pythias, I want to see my parents before I die. So Damon wanted to see his parents before he died, so he called his friend Pythias. So he requested, please request the king to extend the date of my execution by a week. He called Pythias and said that please ask the king to extend my execution by a week so that I can go and meet my parents before I die. This is my last wish. Turn the page 17. Pythias informed the king about the request of his friend. Then Pythias also said, Your Majesty, until Damon comes back, I will be in prison instead of him. If you don't trust us, so when Damon will go to meet his parents, I will be in the prison instead of him. If he doesn't return in time, then you can hang me. If my friend doesn't return on time, then you can punish me. Okay, you can hang me. The king was amazed, he was shocked, surprised, but he accepted the request. He accepted the request and said, okay. 7 days passed, but Damon did not come back. 7 days passed, but Damon, he did not come back. As Pythias was about to be hanged, Damon came back. He shouted. Now, 7 days passed, he did not come back. So now it is his time to be hanged. Okay, as Pythias was about to be hanged by the king, and then Damon came, okay, shouting from the back, stop hanging, I'm back, don't hang him, I'm back. Okay, both the friends, they hugged each other and they began to cry. Pythias said, Damon, why did you come back? You could have easily escaped and I would have died. I am an orphan. I have no obligations. You have your parents and they need you. Then Pythias and Damon, they hugged each other and they cried. And Prithia said to Demon that, why did you come back? You could have easily escaped because you have parents, you have to look after them, you have some responsibility towards your parents. But I am an orphan. Orphan means what? Those who don't have parents. Okay, so he is all alone. He has nobody to look after, no responsibility towards anyone. So he said that I could have died in your place. Why have you come back? Damon replied, no, Pythias, I can't betray a true friend. Pythias said, no, friend, I cannot betray you. Thanks for helping me. Please take care of my parents. You thank for helping me, and as I'm going to be hanged, so you please take care of my parents. The cruel king moved into tears. As a result, both Damon and Pythias were set free. And the king was listening to them. When the king was listening to them, he was amazed to see the true bonding between the two friends. And he moved into tears. He started to weep. Okay. And as a result, he was moved by the true friendship of these friends. Okay. Then he said, then I am setting both of you free, as I am very much inspired by your friendship, so I am going to set both of you free. You go and live happily. Yes, how is the story? Nice, isn't it? So you learn the question answers and everything of the exercises. If I have given you extra question answers, that also you learn. And the story is nice, so always be truthful towards your friend. And friendship is very important in our life, right? But we should be loyal and trustworthy towards our friends, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.